Hi guys, welcome back. So I want to show you how you can get Capcut Pro for free. As you can see here, there is invite friends in Capcut Pro, and you and I can get 7 days Capcut Pro for free. So you can just copy the link that we'll put in the description box below, and then you will go into this page. Just copy this invitation code, and then you can click download for PC, for Windows, or for Mac. Just click on download here. After you download, you can input the invitation code. All right. After that, you can just use CapCut and you can get it for free. Now this promotion will be until June of 2024. So we still have a lot of days to go, and you can get CapCut Pro for free 7 days if you use the link down below to download it. So let's say I have a video here. I can just drag it down there. Now the reason I want to get Capcut Pro is that I want to use the caption features. If I go to text and then auto caption, this is in English, I will click on English, create. So I can create a very engaging captions or titles in my videos. And Capcut have a lot of transitions, effects, cool effects using the Pro version. I'm going to show you shortly. You can use all of them for free if you download CapCut for the first time and using the link down below. So here's my video. Now this is a new features, guys. If you go to templates here, this is what I'm looking for. They have a lot of cool templates. For example, this one. If I click on this, you will see this will turn, right? And if I change the size to 10 so that you guys can see it, we play the video here. Alright guys, so I have this legit good advice. You will thank me later. So in the previous video, I already made a content about NPC versus main character. See how cool that is? The text versus regular text, which is so bad. So this is why CapCut Pro, I think, is very save you time. If you would rather make this manually, it take you a long time to edit this kind of text. And also you can get awesome effect. Let me cut this section here. I can go to effects and they have insanely good effects. For example, this one, the Pro one, if I drag it here, obviously it doesn't suit with the video. My video is me talking. This should be something else, but let me redo this and put some other effects. They're really awesome effects, guys. Look at this. I put it here. It's too long. Maybe I can cut this short. I can drag the effects. You can see only the beginning of the video. These effects are amazing, man. You can have a very professional video doing simple drag and drop using CapCut. This is why it's so awesome. And can also do like this one. If you don't want to apply to the entire video, you can just put it at the top here. Okay, put it at the top. And if we play the video again, look how awesome it is. If I drag it until here, so you will see it become light, right? The color turns, become very light, and my face just shine using this filter. And there's also a lot of animations. Let me show you. You can customize the duration as well. And there's also this animation. It's just so good. That's why it's amazing, guys. If you use the Pro version, and you can get it for 7 days. There are also amazing filters here that you can try out. So many cool effects. And by the way, if you use the link down below, you can help support this channel. And it's a win-win. You get 7 days, I get 7 days. And by the way, if you want to learn how to make full-time income on YouTube, you can check out my Patreon page down below. I have other channel that is making full-time income just by uploading videos. Okay, you can check out my Patreon page. I'll put a link in the description box below as well, along with the link to CapCut Pro, and you can put the invitation code, or you can at least click the download from this web page. Okay, if you have downloaded it before, it might not work. Maybe you gotta create a new account, or you gotta use a different PC or something, and then you can log out from that PC, and then you can sign up using the PC that you have right now. You can use your friend's PC, create an account there and get the pro version, and then log out from that PC. After that, you can come in to your PC and log in after you download using your friend's PC. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I will see you on the next one.